Welcome to Let's Jump Rentals LLC, your premier destination for unforgettable parties in Haltom City, Texas. At Let's Jump Rentals LLC, we take pride in offering a wide array of party rental options under one roof. No need to look further. Our inflatables are the party's heart, providing endless fun and laughter. Make your event memorable with our exciting bounce houses and water slides. Create a comfortable and stylish atmosphere with our selection of tables and chairs. We have everything you need to make your guests feel right at home. Don't forget the snacks. Let's Jump Rentals LLC offers concession machines to keep guests munching happily all day. Want to add a splash of excitement? Dive into our dunk tanks, perfect for those hot Texas summers. Our customer service is second to none. We're here to help you choose suitable rentals for your event, ensuring your party is a resounding success. The fun continues with inflatables. Check out our carnival rides, perfect for entertaining kids and adults. Our obstacle courses are a hit for energetic little explorers. Challenge your guests to an epic adventure. We offer elegant tents, linens, and other accessories for weddings to bring your dream celebration to life. And for those unforgettable nights, our LED dance floors are guaranteed to make your party shine. Board games or giant lawn games, we have them all to add a fun twist to your gathering. Want to end your event with a bang? Our fireworks displays will leave a lasting impression. So, for all your party rental needs in Haltom City, Texas, remember Let's Jump Rentals LLC. Call us at 800-697-7156 or visit our website at www.letsjumprentals.com.